Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at a Jayco J-Feather 27 BHB. Perfect, so to get started, this is an awesome, extremely lightweight travel trailer. 33 feet 11 inches, but the dry weight's only 3,600 pounds. Power tongue jack and an awesome molded fiberglass front cap. Please take a look at that, Jayco, so you can visibly see the difference in quality-wise. This knocks it out of the park. Very big storage held up by a magnet right there. 2 entry doors with a power awning. I love this. You do have an outside kitchen right here, and what's so unique about this floor plan is the fact that you're getting an outside kitchen with a door that leads to the bathroom. I love that. Let's take a look at the inside. So I'm coming in from the outside because, again, if you have guests and they're dirty, they don't need to track mud through your RV. Nice bunk beds, flip up storage, multi-purpose space. That's what it's all about in a travel trailer. Sofa directly across from your TV entertainment center. I love that. Your dinette's right there. And then also, if you notice, there is no carpet on the slide out. To get that on an ultra lightweight is so rare and unique. It is fabulous. Right here, we do have Furrion appliances, microwaves, ovens, refrigerators, AC units, everything. With a decent amount of countertop, not solid surface countertops, but again, trying to save that weight. And look at this, pantry space. You never get this. Finishing up with a master bedroom. Look at how big this door is, I love that. Master bedroom with storage all the way around. You have a TV right there, storage underneath the bed, storage all around the bed. And again, to top it all off, this second entryway is just fabulous. 2 entryways, one in the front, one in the back. Makes this one of the best ultra lightweight bunkhouse trailers on the market today. Thanks everyone so much for watching. If you want to see the full review of this unit, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews, Towables. Or if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, perfect. Fill out that link down below. Somebody from my team will reach out to you. Doesn't matter where you live nationwide, we have a dealership close to you, and we will get you a phenomenal price. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.